Number 1. Gaming. This is a very popular niche on YouTube, with channels dedicated to live streams, reviews, and walkthroughs of various video games. Many gaming channels also include commentary and analysis, as well as personal vlogs and other types of content related to gaming culture. Number 2. Beauty and fashion. This niche includes channels that focus on makeup, hair, and fashion tips and trends. These channels often feature product reviews, tutorial videos, and haul videos showing the latest purchases from fashion and beauty retailers. Number 3. Fitness and health. Fitness and health channels on YouTube cover a wide range of topics, including exercise routines, nutrition, and overall wellness. Some popular sub-niches within this category include yoga, weightlifting, and home workouts. Number 4. Product reviews. This niche involves reviewing and testing a wide variety of products, including electronics, home goods, and beauty products. Review channels may also include unboxings, first impressions, and comparison videos. Number 5. Travel and vlogging. Travel vlogs document the experiences and adventures of creators as they visit different locations around the world. These channels may include travel tips, destination guides, and personal vlogs about the creator's experiences. Number 6. DIY and crafting. This niche includes channels that provide tutorial videos and inspiration for DIY projects and crafts. Some popular sub-niches within this category include home decor, woodworking, and knitting. Number 7. Education and tutoring. Educational channels on YouTube cover a wide range of topics, including school subjects like math, science, and history, as well as test preparation and study skills. Many educational channels are aimed at students and teachers, while others are geared towards lifelong learners. Number 8. Food and cooking. This niche includes channels that focus on cooking, baking, and food-related topics. These channels may feature recipe videos, food-related travel content, and cooking challenges. Number 9. Technology and science. This niche includes channels that cover topics related to technology and science, such as product reviews, tutorials, and discussions about current events and trends in these fields. Number 10. Comedy and entertainment. This broad category includes channels that produce a variety of content for the purpose of entertaining viewers. This may include sketches, parodies, challenges, and other types of comedic videos.